More news coming in. Gangster Chota Rajan has been interrogated for more than 4 hours. The underworld Don was brought to the Bali crime unit for questioning earlier this morning. The Indonesian police also brought in a translator to interrogate Rajan. Let's get more from our deputy editor Athar Khan, who's with us live from Bali. Athar, you're now reporting that Chota Rajan has been interrogated by the police there in Bali. This despite them saying yesterday that they had no intentions or no obligation to question him.
Well, that's right. It's been 4 hours since he's being interrogated, and he was brought in from the lockup, which is some 500 meters here at Polda, Bali police establishment, and he's being interrogated at the crime unit right behind me. And so this is the building behind me where he's being interrogated for more than 4 hours now. Though the Indonesian police has officially been denying that they have no interest in interrogating him, but then there seems to be a change of mind, as we were indicating earlier, according to our sources, that he might be interrogated about his links in Indonesia and specifically in Bali. They would like to know what was he doing in Bali, what connections he has, and what is the support base, since they are very sensitive to these investigations. He is being kept inside, and we are learning that it will take some more time before he's brought out. At the same time, the Indian police is from India, which will be headed by the CBI's Interpol Unit coordination official, along with some officers from the Mumbai police. And a number of cases against him have been registered in Mumbai. So that process is still on. MEA trying to diplomatic level and discuss the terms of deportation. So that is another quid pro quo which will be considered by Indonesia and India, because the Indonesia would also expect something in return if they are handing over Chota Rajan. So that process is on. Meanwhile, Chota Rajan is being interrogated by Indonesian police here.
Right. Athar, thanks so much for that update. We will keep coming back to you for more developments. Now, facing the prospect of deportation to India, Chota Rajan has said that he's not afraid of anyone in India. Speaking exclusively to India today, Underworld Don Chota Rajan said that he did not surrender and is looking forward to coming back to his home country. With his ex-Dawood aide being held in Bali, he added that he is facing a lot of problems.
भैया मेरे को अभी कुछ बोलना नहीं है, मैं बाद में बोलूंगा।
लेकिन आप भारत
इंडिया जाना चाहते हो? नहीं, जिम्बाब्वे नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं इंडिया जाऊंगा।
आपने कुछ कहा था कि आपको जिम्बाब्वे जाना है? ये बताइए हमको, ये बताइए आपने किया है? आपने सरेंडर किया है? ये तरह बोला है। क्या आपने सरेंडर किया? ना क्या आपने सरेंडर किया है? क्या आपने सरेंडर किया? आपसे जानना चाहेंगे आपने
सरेंडर नहीं किया मैं।
यहाँ सिक्योर महसूस कर रहे हैं अपना सिक्योर? आप सिडनी, आप बाली क्यों आए थे? सिडनी खतरा तो नहीं है आपको यहाँ पर? आप बाली क्यों आए थे सिडनी से? क्या आपने कोई लॉयर किया है? कोई लॉयर किया है आपने? क्या आपने कोई लॉयर किया हुआ है? कोई लॉयर किया हुआ आपने? खतरा लगा? आप देख सकते हैं आपको इस तरह आरोपी की तरह बेड़िया बांधी आपने। क्या आपको तकलीफ है यहाँ पर? खतरा लगा?
After Chota Rajan's arrest, the Indian government is leaving no stones unturned in getting his custody. The Indian government is devising a new strategy with special inputs from intelligence agencies, awaiting a nod from Minister of External Affairs. Officials of India's Interpol Coordination Unit and Mumbai Police are on standby to leave for Bali. The centre has also approached the Mumbai Police in connection with the issue, and it is likely to send details of 70-odd cases that have been registered against Chota Rajan in Maharashtra. Sources have told India today that India is likely to seek his deportation, and extradition takes more time. Now, Chota Rajan's health could also be a big concern after he revealed to his doctors that he had undergone a bypass surgery 2 years ago. After his detention, Rajan was running short of medicines for cholesterol control and was examined by doctors at a local hospital. The Underworld Don is already facing kidney problems as well. He's now developed a heart condition. A Mumbai police team has left for Delhi. The team is likely to submit dossiers that can be used by the centre when it approaches Indonesia to seek Chota Rajan's deportation. Few Mumbai police officers may also accompany the CBI team to Bali, is what we're hearing. However, top Mumbai police officers maintain that no official confirmation has come in yet from the CBI. Let's get a word from Mayuresh, who's with us on the phone line. Mayuresh, you had reported yesterday that all files on Chota Rajan were being dusted in the Mumbai police headquarters yesterday. The police trying to put together a dossier after the centre asked it to compile all the documents needed for his deportation.
Certainly, the centre wants to make this case of very watertight because we are getting some information that other players, that other countries may also ask for his deportation and claim that take Chota Rajan away from India. So India doesn't want to lose Chota Rajan at all because many cases in Mumbai pending against him. As we all know that more than 70 cases are pending against Chota Rajan in Mumbai, and Mumbai police is looking for the Chota Rajan. That's why Mumbai police yesterday was contacted by central agencies, and they have asked them to prepare a dossier. The same dossier has been prepared, and we have been given to understand that the Mumbai police team has left for the Delhi to submit that dossier, and any other information if CBI or the central agencies want from Mumbai police, they will provide that information regarding the Chota Rajan, because Chota Rajan is really a big catch for the central agencies, and as we all know that the CBI is a nodal agency for the Interpol. That's why Mumbai police will be communicating with the CBI. Thank you.
All right, so a team of the Mumbai police is also likely to accompany a CBI team when they do go ahead with get a go-ahead from the centre, and the government does approach Indonesia seeking Chota Rajan's deportation. Mayuresh, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back.